Hello, today I want to show you how to get on RAZ Kids so you can have tons of books to read and you can access your assignments from your teachers. So of course you always want to start by going through LCPS Go. Here you will need your lunch number, your 7-digit number. Okay, and then here you have your date of birth, which is 4 digits. Okay, then you sign in. I am going to sign, and then when you sign in, you should see this page. It's really important that you be able to get here because we have a lot of stuff you can use here. Now I can either look for the robot for RAZ Kids here, or I can type it in the search bar, RAZ, and there it is. And then you would click on it. Wait, that's not what. Let me see. And then you would see, this is what you will see. You will see, hopefully, your teacher username, which rjessie0 is for Mr. Nowicki's class. And then you'd find your name. If you need to change your teacher, you push change teacher, and you can, maybe you have Miss McKinney or Miss Falk or Miss Hanjora, and you would click on their name. Or if it's not there, you can type it in. So I'm not sure what the other, but your teacher knows their username. So if you don't know the username for your teacher, ask your teacher. But for Mr. Nowicki's class, it's RJESSEE0. Go. Now I am going to look for my name. I created a student. This is not a real student. John Doe. Click on your name. And then you'll have a password. Some students have a written password that they have to type in, and some students have a picture. It depends on your teacher. My password is an apple. Okay, so then you might see a bunch of different planets. If you haven't taken the Ready test, you should probably do that. Otherwise, you'd go to reading, and you should have my assignment and level up. You might not have my assignment if you haven't been given any assignments. But if you do, you want to go to your assignments. And as you see here, there's two books that are assigned. You want to open up the book. You want to listen, read, and take the quiz, okay? So first you would listen. You play it
all by myself.
And we'll play it to you, okay? And then you need to listen to all of it. And then you need to read it all by myself. So then you'd reach each page. I color all by myself. You read each, I play all by myself. You would read each page. Ooh, more stars. And then you take the quiz. Okay, so then and if you needed to read it to you, can just click it.
What is this story mostly about?
And you can also click on this to hear
the things a girl does with her cat. The things a girl can do by herself.
So it'll read it to you if you need help for that. Okay, so you read it, pick the correct answer, and then you go next.
You're amazing.
Wow.
A perfect score.
I got all of them right. If you didn't get them all right, you can take the quiz again and try again if you would like to. And then done. And now you'll notice if I go under here, it's all those are green. That means I did them all. And that's what you need to do. But you need to go slower and read the book to yourself. Okay, and then if you have no books there, you can always go to Level Up and pick books that are on your level. any book you want to do. Same thing, listen to it, read it, and take the quiz. That is it. Goodbye, friends.